Hi, my name is Keith Cooper for Northlight Images. This is just a quick update on a video I did yesterday about a potential issue with the Epson ET-8550. A refinement of that is that I mentioned potential overspray. Several people have said, oh, my printer smudges on the edges or catches ink and has ink blots on it. Is this the same thing? No, that is a totally different thing. That is related to the printer needing some form of cleaning. Now, I put in the notes to this video, I've got several videos that specifically look at cleaning the 8550, different aspects of cleaning it, from basic cleaning, basic maintenance, all things like that. But the ink spots, smudges, marks on paper, they are not the same thing I was talking about. Incidentally, one other thing, and I realized this after checking yesterday, if you have bought an Epson 8550 or other inkjet Ecotank type printer recently, Epson are currently running the 5-year free warranty on the printer. Now, we got that when we got our 8550. One of the reasons I got it, 5-year warranty, what's not to like? It is a 5-year, 50,000 prints maximum warranty. So that gives you an idea how many prints they expect the printer to use. So that you'll need to apply for it. I'll put a link in it. That's a Epson UK offer. I don't know what other offers that are currently available elsewhere in the world, Europe, US, whatever other regions. But if you have bought an Epson ET-8550 recently in the UK, follow this link, get your 5-year warranty. 5 years seems pretty good. Anyway, there you go. Cleaning, not the same as the overspray issue I mentioned, and there's the warranty for it. And hope that's of use to people. Thanks very much. Bye.